Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to sell ebooks on eBay. So please watch to the end to properly understand the tutorial. And if you want to create an account on eBay, you can use our link in the description down below where you can get discounts or rewards upon signing up. So without any further ado, let's get started. So first, go to ebay.com and sign in with an account. And as you know, eBay is one of the best e-commerce platform to sell some products, and you can also buy products too. So if you want, you can just go to the website and log in with your account. So click sign in. You can continue with your Google account. It's up to you. So right here, after you log in with your account, you can just simply click sell to sell some items, to sell your ebooks. So if you click on sell, you will be redirected to this page. So selling, and after that, make money selling on eBay. You can list an item right here. So after listing an item, you need to tell us. You need to input the type of product that you want to sell. So make sure, for example, ebooks, since we are selling ebooks. So whether it's in ebook PDFs, ebook books itself, ebooks and digital media, ebooks for Kindle, or ebooks on PDF, yeah, etc., etc. You can uh, click on uh, the specific description of your digital product or the items that you want to sell. So after clicking on it, you need to choose your category. So suggested based on the title or the type of product that you input. Since I input ebook on PDF, so the suggested category for your item is book and magazine. So click on the category, and as you can see, you can find the match. So it's up to you that if you want to choose a match that to pick for or to add on your product library. But if you want to add your own product, just click continue with that match right here. So make sure that you also select the condition of your item, whether it's a brand new, like new, very good, good, or acceptable. So yeah, let's choose brand new for now and continue to listing. And yes, so let's wait. So right here, as you can see, they made an update, so we can read it later. So you need to complete your listing right here. You need to input all of this information right here. First is the picture of your a photo of your digital product or on your ebook. So since I'm selling ebooks, so I'm just going to add, if you want to create some digital products like ebooks, you can use Canva for it. There's a bunch of templates that you can use. Make sure that you, if you use a template, make sure that you edit it so that you can make it unique, not a add-on template or built-in template on the canvas. So make sure that you customize it, since you can get banned if you literally sell their templates, their the Canva templates. So as you can see, I created an ebook design made of templates, so I don't need to edit this too, since it's just a tutorial. But make sure, if you're using a template, make sure that you edit this one, make it very unique to you. And after that, just click download, and you know drop the photos or video of this product right here. So I'm just going to upload a picture of my ebook right here. Let's say this one, and you can add more photo if you want, but I already add my photo, so this one right here. And also the title, make sure that to input your ebook title right here, and the item category, specific or specs, the author of the ebook, the title of the ebook, language containing the ebook, the ISBN. And for the additional information, you can add topics. You can add the publisher, the format, genre, the series of the books, publication year, all of them right here. You need to add all of this information. And for the condition, yeah, I said it earlier. And lastly, the description. You need to input a catchy description to attract the customers. So right for now, I'm just going to add a random description, but make sure if you're selling an item on eBay, make sure to give it a nice description. And for the pricing, you can change it, the format of the pricing, whether it's an auction or you can just click buy it now and put the item price. If you want to require immediate payment when buyer uses buy it now, you can just click this one. And the quantity of your product. So make sure, for example, I have 5 ebooks available to sell. And also, if you want to allow offers, you can do so. So interested buyers can send an offer for this item. You can accept, counter, or decline. And if you want to add volume pricing, you can do so. And if you want to schedule your listing, you can do so. So if you want to post your listing now, you can just continue with this one, list it. Or if you want to schedule it, make sure that you uh, enable this and add the date of your listing. And for the shipping, you can just change the shipping method, the weight of the product, the cost type, the rate table. It's optional, and the item origin. So all of that you need to you know you need to fill all of this information right here. And after you're done filling the information, just click list it, and your product will automatically be listed on eBay, and people can see it now. And that's it. That's how you can what yeah, it has an error or missing information, but I don't I did not input any information. But yeah, if you click list it, you will be redirected to your page, and you can see now that your ebook is now listed on eBay, and people can sell I can buy it. And that's it. That's how you can sell digital arts. That's how you can sell ebooks on eBay. And also, that's it for today's tutorial. If you want more, please like this video, subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next one.